Welcome back to Zackus. I'm so glad you joined me for another video. Today is a year-long review video. It's kind of going, I did a video on this a year ago, a little over a year ago, and I'm coming back to tell you my experience after using it for a year so that you know if it's good for you or not. You might have questions, you might have seen ads for it or seen it on social media, and you're coming to YouTube to find out, is this real? Does it really work? And I just wanted to put this video up so you could see the progress. And you can see my other video at the end of this video or down below. It's part of my videos, and it's called the Giro. It's a travel luggage carry-on, and I first bought it off of Kickstarter, and now I've used it for over a year, and I want to tell you guys all about my experience. And did it hold up? Is it worth it? Is it worth the money? Here we go. I was looking for, I'd had a Travel Pro. If you've watched the original Giro video, you'll know all this, but just in case so you can be refreshed. I had a Travel Pro. I did a lot of research back around 2010, looking for what pilots and flight attendants use, people that flew all the time. I wanted something that would hold up and be really good. And so I ended up doing a Travel Pro carry-on. And it lasted me a long time. And it's still actually used by some family members that I gave it to. So it's still going, and which is crazy, and it still looks amazing. But I got to looking for something online that I wanted to upgrade and get something newer. I wanted something with some more technology and just something rethought, something outside the box. And so I found this luggage carry-on on Kickstarter, and it had these amazingly cool looking wheels, and they had rethought every little thing that a traveler does. It's called the Giro. Now it's called the Giro Classic because they have the 2.0, which was an upgrade to the Classic, and then they have a brand new one that's a hard case that I'm going to do a video on. So hit that subscribe button to be first to be notified when I put that up. We'll talk about that later. But the Giro, the main features about it was these wheels were redesigned to go over any kind of terrain, to take a lot of beating, to roll smoothly, to pull smoothly, instead of those little cheap wheels that would break and turn and everything. And it had a battery pack built in to charge your phones, and it had a tile that came with it to track, sort of like GPS through Bluetooth, like where your luggage had been, was it near you, all that stuff, so if it got lost you could find it. They also rethought how the compartment worked, how you fit your clothes in, how you fit your laptop in, office supplies like passports and pens, and how a traveler travels on a daily basis or a weekly basis or several times a year with their carry-on. So now it's over a year later, and I know that some of you are asking, does it hold up? Because it's quite expensive compared to like something you would get at TJ Maxx or JCPenney's or Walmart. It's around $400, but when you spend that kind of money, you're going to get way better quality, or you should. And with the Giro, I can definitively say it's well worth every dollar I spent. I would buy another one in a heartbeat. I love my Giro. I also love my away travel, which I've done videos on. But for what Giro does for me when I need to be in a rugged situation or I need to go quickly somewhere, it provides everything I need, and I love it. And a year later, as you'll be able to see, it looks still like it's brand new. A year later, it's been all over the world. I traveled with it weeks in and weeks out. I do a lot of traveling, that's why I've got a travel channel, and it has held up so well. You'll see some wear and tear on the wheels, but that's normal. But considering how much I've traveled and it's been a year later, it still looks new. And that's a great and awesome thing. That's not something you can say about a lot of luggage you buy. It's just not. And so I know this is a really short video, and I didn't want to get into this huge long video. If you want to see more detail like the unboxing and stuff, watch my other video. But I just wanted to come back on here and say this is an awesome piece of luggage. If you're looking for a hard case and 4 wheels, check out the 6th. I'm going to be doing a video on that. Hit the subscribe button so that you can be first to be notified when I do that. Links are down in the description below always, so you can look and check things out. I do appreciate it if you buy from me. You will be helping out the channel, but that's not why I'm doing this video. I want to just be honest, do honest reviews on this channel and help you. Also, to all my subscribers and everybody watching this video, we do have a brand new Zachus travel channel that's all about travel, flight tips, eating tips in different cities, tours, transportation, gear like luggage and things you want to take on your trip. All of that's going to be on that channel, so you'll better find that link down in the description below, or there'll be a little circle for it at the end of the video. You can just tap it and go to it, subscribe to that, check all that out. You'll be first to be notified when I put that up. The only reason I'm putting this up on this channel and not the travel channel is because the original Giro is on Zachus, and I wanted to come back and do that year review. And I wanted to tell you guys here at Zachus all about the Zachus travel channel. So you need to check that out. You're gonna love that. We got some awesome content there and awesome content coming, and so we're excited about that. That is it for today. This Giro, check out the Giro. I want to know if you have one, if you bought one, if you love it, if you hate it. Comment below, ask questions, all the questions you want. I hope you have a beautiful day. Thank you for watching Zachus. Thank you to my subscribers. It's good to see your beautiful face again. Until the next video, peace.